Each day we find discussions and articles in the news and social media portals about the wrong, unbalanced diets, toxins accumulated in the body, everyday radiation, over the wrong usage of drugs. These are some of the main reasons for the deterioration of our good health. The water we drink, the food we eat, and the air we breathe are all contaminated and full of toxins. Expert reports are coming across the globe that the living conditions of us are deteriorating day by day. New diseases are discovered every day and treatment systems are getting costlier and inaccessible to common man like you and me. Surveys are saying that India is the diabetic capital with majority of obese people. Cancer is spreading across villages, also with other life-threatening and health-threatening diseases. It's hard to come by something completely toxin-free. All these chemicals and toxins are released into our environment, traveling through our water, the air we breathe, and are absorbed by our body. You can't see, touch, or smell many of these toxins. We typically do not feel their effects until and unless we come down with a chronic disease after years of exposure. So what is the option in front of us? Prevention or cure? Prevention is always low cost, less painful, and helps us to lead happy and healthy life. The answer is prevention. Natura Bioscience Vita Blue, a complete natural food. Let me enlighten you to what is Vita Blue and how beneficial it is for you. Vita Blue. Vita Blue is the phycocyanin-enriched spirulina, world-known protector of health. Spirulina is a form of blue-green algae that springs from warm, fresh water bodies. NASA, MELISA, ISRO are world-renowned space agencies who send astronauts to space. They have done a lot of research on spirulina and have proved that spirulina is the best form of food for astronauts because of its ingredients. Vita Blue spirulina contains omega-3, 6 and 9 and especially high in omega-3s. Spirulina is extremely high in chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the blood and boost the immune system. Benefits of Vita Blue. Vita Blue boosts our immune system. Vita Blue is a super detoxifier, an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-HIV, anti-diabetes, antiviral, anti-cholesterol, antidepressant, anti-aging. It's food for your brain and food for beauty. Vita Blue has more benefits for you. Vita Blue is a natural dietary supplement dedicated to assisting individuals who are undergoing cancer therapies including chemotherapy and radiation. Besides, it also has cancer-fighting and cancer-preventive attributes of its own. Vita Blue induces apoptosis in the existing proliferating cancer cells. And being a natural antioxidant, it also helps getting rid of any cancer-promoting oxidative stress. Vita Blue lowers the amount of cyclooxygenase 2, which is regulated in cancer cells. Phycocyanin in cancer therapy is that the regular intake of this molecule have been shown to boost immune responses. Vita Blue affects the stem cells found in bone marrow, which produces white blood cells that make up the cellular immune system and red blood cells that oxygenate the body. Vita Blue protects you from various cancers like colon cancer, liver cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, prostate cancer, and more. Vita Blue and anti-aging. Vita Blue decreases oxidative stress in cells, which helps cells to grow normally. Vita Blue helps cells to regenerate and produce healthier skin, pumping the brakes on wrinkles and making your complexion more vibrant. We at Natura Bioscience welcome you to be a part of a healthy lifestyle and a better future, cause your health is our concern. Vita Blue, complete health supplement just for you.